Timmy, I've got some news for you. It's about your mother. She's a little bit ill. Yes, not to worry though. It's not bad. She was eating a little bit. It's not like we have to pray or anything. Well, never hurts to pray, does it? Never hurts. Never hurt anyone. So we might go ahead and pray for her, just in case. And maybe it's a little bit worse than what I originally said. Yeah, she's in fact quite ill, and we should pray for her. Pray for a full recovery. She was eating though, last time I saw her. Well, eating. There was food next to her, and she couldn't actually keep it down, could she? No. Not to worry though. Your stay here at the orphanage isn't gonna be permanent. It's not probably that bad. There is of course a lot of other people have died similarly, similar disease and some reason. So, you know, it is very bad. In fact, she might not make it, Timmy. Like, you're 8, you're almost adult. You can, I mean, it's enough to work in the mines. So, I mean, between two men, I think I can say yes, 2 men. I think I can, you know, shoot straight with you. You know, stab the Zulu. Get it over with. It is very bad. You might in fact say that she's dead. Yeah. And she has been for 2 days. Not to worry though. Before she died, I had my way with her. Yeah. Not that she liked it though. But you know how women are. Or, well, you don't, because you're 8, 10, 7.5. Yeah, anyways, so I've already taken control of the estate, making sure all the finances, the goods, and so forth are in order. Should be fine. I should keep it safe until you turn old enough to leave the orphanage. No, I wouldn't be able to take care of you. I'm just a draftsman. I travel the country, all over the place. I need to draw nice pictures for the ladies and gentlemen, and so forth. Right, I don't think I introduced you. Reginald, my friend. He's actually also a draftsman. He's wearing costume right now. We're doing a war piece. You know what, Reginald? I've come into a bit of money, actually. And why don't you and I go down to... we'll go down to Southampton. Yes. We'll go down to Southampton and show those girls a good drawing on. Yeah. Good. Well, I mean, most of this orphanage is not that bad. Sorry about your mother dying. Me and Reginald will be going now, and good luck.